Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a great thumbnail for your YouTube video for free. If you watch until the end, you'll be able to make a great thumbnail that gets a lot of views. Later in the video, I'll show you a much better way of making thumbnails using AI. I included a link in the description so you can try this AI tool yourself for free. To create a free YouTube thumbnail, start by visiting Adobe Express. If you don't already have an account, sign up for a free one or simply log in if you have an existing account. Once you're inside the platform, navigate to the YouTube thumbnail option. Click on it to begin a new design project. You will be given two choices. Start from a blank canvas or browse through a collection of professionally designed templates. If you prefer to work with a ready-made design, simply select a template that matches your style and customize it to your liking. However, if you want full creative control, choose the custom size option and enter the dimensions 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is the standard size for YouTube thumbnails. After setting up your canvas, you will notice a menu on the left side of the screen. This menu provides a range of tools that will help you design your thumbnail efficiently. It includes options for adding images, text, shapes, and various effects that can enhance the overall look of your design. To begin, the first step is to add a background that will serve as the foundation of your thumbnail. To do this, click on the Media tab, which is located in the left-hand menu. From there, select the Photos option. This will open a library of images that you can use as your background. You have two choices. You can either browse through Adobe's free stock images, which offer a wide selection of high-quality visuals, or you can upload an image from your computer if you have a specific background in mind. Once you have selected an image, drag it onto the canvas and position it as needed. You can resize and reposition the image by clicking and dragging its corners, ensuring that it fits the dimensions of your thumbnail perfectly. If necessary, you can also rotate the image to achieve the desired alignment. If you want to enhance the background further, navigate to the Effects panel. This section provides various editing tools that allow you to modify different aspects of the image. You can adjust the brightness to make the background more vibrant, tweak the contrast to create a stronger visual impact, or change the colors to better match the theme of your design. Experimenting with these settings can help you achieve a professional and polished look that complements the other elements of your thumbnail. Now, it's time to add the main subject of your thumbnail. This could be a picture of yourself, a product you're showcasing, or any other key visual element that effectively represents the content of your video. Choose an image that is clear, high quality, and engaging, as this will be the focal point of your thumbnail and play a crucial role in attracting viewers. Start by uploading your selected image to the canvas. Once the image is added, click on it to ensure it is selected. Next, use the Remove Background tool to isolate the main subject from its original background. This tool will automatically detect and remove the background, allowing your subject to stand out more clearly against your chosen design. If needed, refine the cutout by manually erasing any unwanted areas or restoring any essential details that may have been accidentally removed. After successfully removing the background, adjust the size and position of your subject to achieve a visually appealing and well-balanced composition. Make sure the subject is placed in a way that draws attention without obstructing important text or design elements. You may need to resize or reposition it to ensure harmony within the overall layout of the thumbnail. To further enhance the appearance of your subject and make it more eye-catching, consider applying effects such as a drop shadow, an outer glow, or a bold outline. These enhancements can be found in the Effects panel and will help the subject stand out against the background, giving your thumbnail a polished and professional look. Experiment with different styles and intensity levels to find the effect that best complements your design while maintaining clarity and visual appeal. Now, it's time to add text to your thumbnail. To begin, click on the Text tool to insert a headline that clearly conveys the topic of your video. This headline plays a crucial role in capturing the viewer's attention, so choose your words carefully to ensure they are both engaging and informative. The text should immediately communicate the essence of your video, giving potential viewers a reason to click. Since thumbnails need to be readable at a glance, it is important to use a bold, high-contrast font that stands out. Avoid overly decorative or script fonts as they can be difficult to read, especially on smaller screens. Instead, opt for simple, thick lettering that remains legible across different devices. If your design allows, consider using uppercase letters or a combination of uppercase and lowercase for better readability. To enhance visibility, you can also customize the font color to create a strong contrast against the background. This ensures that the text does not blend in with other elements and remains easy to read. If necessary, experiment with additional effects such as outlines or shadows to further improve readability. These effects can help separate the text from the background, making it more distinct and visually appealing. When placing your text, pay close attention to spacing and alignment. Make sure that the text is positioned in a way that does not interfere with any key visual elements, such as faces or focal points in your thumbnail image. Proper alignment can also contribute to a more polished and professional look. If your design includes multiple text elements, arrange them in a structured and balanced way to maintain clarity. By following these steps, you can ensure that your thumbnail text is not only attractive, but also highly effective in drawing viewers to your video. To make your thumbnail even more engaging and visually appealing, consider incorporating additional design elements that enhance its overall look. Start by clicking on the Elements tab, where you will find a wide selection of icons, shapes, and stickers that can add depth and emphasis to your design. For example, you can use arrows to point towards key text or images, ensuring that viewers' eyes are drawn to the most important details. Circles, underlines, and other highlighting tools can also be useful for emphasizing specific words or features within your thumbnail, making them stand out more clearly. If you want to create a unique visual style that sets your thumbnail apart, consider exploring Adobe Express's AI text-to-image feature. This tool allows you to generate custom graphics that align with your theme and branding, ensuring that your thumbnail remains distinct and eye-catching. By using AI-generated images, you can craft visuals that are tailored specifically to your content, making your design more professional and polished. Experiment with different elements and styles to find the perfect balance between creativity and clarity, ensuring that your thumbnail effectively captures attention and encourages viewers to engage with your content. Before you finalize your design, take a moment to carefully review the overall composition. Pay close attention to the placement of the main subject, any text elements, and the background to ensure they are well balanced and visually harmonious. Avoid overcrowding your thumbnail with too many elements, as a cluttered design can make it difficult for viewers to quickly grasp the main message. Instead, aim for a clean, organized layout that effectively highlights the most important aspects of your design. A well-structured and visually appealing thumbnail will increase its effectiveness and draw more attention. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, take a final glance to check for any inconsistencies, alignment issues, or color imbalances. If needed, make small adjustments to enhance clarity and readability. When you are confident that your thumbnail is polished and ready for use, click the Download button. Choose either the PNG or JPEG format based on your needs and save the file to your device for future use. While this method can be effective in producing visually appealing thumbnails, it does come with certain limitations that may impact efficiency and accessibility. One of the primary challenges is the time investment required to manually adjust each design element. If you need to create multiple thumbnails with different variations, such as changing colors, fonts, images, or layouts, the process can quickly become tedious and time-consuming. Additionally, achieving a polished, professional quality result is not always straightforward. Design expertise plays a significant role in the final outcome, and those without advanced design skills may struggle to create visually compelling thumbnails. As a result, individuals who lack experience in graphic design may need to spend time learning design principles or using complex software tools, which can add to the overall effort required. For those who want high-quality results without investing in design training, hiring a professional graphic designer might be the most effective solution. However, this approach can be costly, especially for individuals or small businesses with limited budgets. The expenses associated with hiring a designer for multiple thumbnail variations can add up quickly, making this method less practical for those seeking a more budget-friendly option. If you're on a tight budget, now you know how to manually create thumbnails for your YouTube channel for free. But if you have a little extra money to invest in your YouTube channel, I found an amazing AI tool that can save you hours of work. Let me show you how to use it. To create a YouTube thumbnail using pixels, follow these straightforward steps to design a professional and attention-grabbing image. Before we start, make sure to check the link in the description to try Pixels for free. Start by navigating to the Pixels website, a platform that harnesses the power of AI to help you generate stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Pixels is a user-friendly tool that simplifies the process of designing eye-catching visuals, making it accessible even for those with little graphic design experience. Upon arriving on the homepage, you'll notice a large input field where you can describe the thumbnail you have in mind. The AI tool works based on the description you provide, so the more detailed and specific your input, the better the result. The description doesn't need to be complicated. Simple and clear prompts work best. For instance, if you're creating a thumbnail for a video about swimming, you might describe it as, "A swimmer moves through deep blue water, unaware of a shark trailing behind." By providing this description, you are giving the AI the necessary information to generate an image that aligns with your vision. Once you've entered your description, click the Generate button. The AI will process your input and begin creating the image based on the details you've provided. In just a few moments, the generated thumbnail will appear on your screen. The AI uses advanced algorithms to bring your description to life, often resulting in visually engaging and dynamic designs that you might not have been able to create manually. After the image is generated, take a moment to evaluate the result. If the thumbnail closely matches your expectations, you can move forward with it. However, if it's not quite what you envisioned, don't worry. You have the option to click the Redo button. This will prompt the AI to generate a new version, possibly with slight adjustments or entirely different interpretations of your original description. You can repeat this process as many times as you like until you're satisfied with the final thumbnail. Once you've refined your thumbnail to your liking, it's time to save it. Simply download the image to your computer or device. Pixels allows you to easily save your creations in high quality, ensuring that your thumbnail will look sharp and professional on YouTube. With your thumbnail ready, head over to your YouTube video upload page. The thumbnail is a crucial element in attracting viewers, as it is often the first thing people notice when browsing through content. By uploading your custom Pixels thumbnail, you'll enhance your video's visual appeal, making it more likely to stand out in a crowded feed and encourage more clicks. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly boost your video's chances of gaining traction and attracting more viewers. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting, using Pixels to create custom thumbnails is a quick and effective way to make your content more engaging and appealing. With its AI-powered tools, the platform helps you create professional quality thumbnails without the need for expensive software or advanced design skills. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click the link in the description to try Pixels for free.